Cristiano Ronaldo, 4-1. He adds to his record collection. 17 Champions League goals in a single season. An unprecedented haul.
Cristiano Ronaldo, great feat. Cristiano Ronaldo, that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. He is still the man. Cristiano Ronaldo for Real Madrid.
Able to hold off his man and get a ball back to the feet of Ronaldo! Is that the killer blow for Real Madrid?
It was Ronaldo! 2-1 Portugal. They just had to wait a moment, but he had the composure, he certainly had the ability, and Portugal had the lead out as well. Ronaldo, that's better. That's a whole lot better. It's an absolute belter. And it's 2-0 Manchester United, who are in danger of getting out of sight before the game's a quarter of an hour on.
Who's getting there first? It's 6 for Portugal, and Cristiano Ronaldo has his first competitive international goal for 2 years.
After the defender, Ronaldo heading off for Carvajal. Carvajal, Ronaldo!
Clever pass to Fred, early cross, knocked down from Ronaldo, Lingard's there, Ronaldo's there! Manchester United with it, and Cristiano Ronaldo in the last minute of stoppage time does it again.
Juega otra vez arriba para Toni Kroos, otra vez para Marcelo. Marcelo, qué partidazo. Se viene arriba, entre cuatro. Sigue Marcelo, se desengancha.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo turns into trouble. Brilliant footwork. Amazing goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. The vintage Ronaldo. He's the man.
Referee trying to... Ronaldo.
Получится атака. Бейл ставит корпус, выкатывает мяч. Удар. 3-0. Криштиану Роналду делает счет 3-0 в первом тайме в пользу мадридского Реала. Что-то невероятное происходит в прямом эфире.
And that's why he's the costliest footballer on the planet.
Got that, and here's Brown. For Ronaldo! In the 26th minute, his 42nd goal of the season.